Welcome to this TOEFL speaking practice for question 3. In this task, you'll be combining information from two sources, a reading passage and a lecture on the same topic. Your job is to explain how the lecture relates to the reading.
A good example of a capitalist economic system would be the economy of the United States. In a capitalist system, private individuals and businesses, own most of the resources and operate for profit. So in the US, companies like Apple or Amazon, right, they're privately owned and compete in the marketplace, aiming to innovate and, earn profits. The government does play a role, but it's relatively limited. Its main function is to regulate industries, to ensure fair competition, but it doesn't directly control or own most businesses. Now, this system really encourages entrepreneurship and innovation because businesses offering better products or services tend to succeed. But on the other hand, capitalism can also lead to economic inequality, where wealth, becomes concentrated in the hands of a few while others may struggle financially. That said, despite these challenges, the capitalist system in the U.S. has led to significant economic growth and technological advancement, showing both the strengths and the weaknesses of this model.
The lecture builds on the passage about economic systems, focusing on an example of capitalism in the United States. The passage explains that capitalism is where private businesses own most resources and operate for profit, with little government intervention. The lecture adds the example of companies like Apple and Amazon, which compete in the market and encourage innovation. It also explains how the U.S. government mainly regulates but doesn't control businesses. However, the lecture mentions that capitalism can lead to economic inequality, which the passage also discusses as a weakness. Overall, the lecture shows how capitalism leads to economic growth, but also causes some inequality, which supports the ideas from the passage about the strengths and weaknesses of capitalism.